In the tumultuous era of the civil rights movement, a new perspective emerged to challenge the status quo, critical race theory. Born in the 1970s, critical race theory, CRT, was the brainchild of a group of scholars who sought to expose the hidden racial biases in American law and society. Kimberlé Crenshaw, a prominent legal scholar, played a pivotal role in the development of CRT. She identified a concept known as intersectionality, which emphasized the interconnected nature of race, class, and gender in the experiences of marginalized communities. In the context of the civil rights movement, CRT questioned the assumption that the United States had achieved racial progress through the law alone. The theory argued that the law, which was supposed to protect the rights of all citizens, perpetuated racial inequality by maintaining the status quo. The supporters of CRT argued that the law, in its application, often reflected the racial biases of those in power. This was evident in the continued discrimination faced by African Americans, despite the passage of the Civil Rights Act of 1964. The theory challenged the notion of colorblindness that dominated the discourse on race at the time. CRT argued that ignoring race and racial difference was, in fact, a way of maintaining the power structures that benefited the white majority. The theory sparked controversy and criticism. Critics accused CRT of being divisive and reversing the progress made in the struggle for racial equality. However, proponents of CRT argued that it was essential to address the persistence of racial inequality and to challenge the dominant narrative that race no longer mattered. Critical race theory continues to be a controversial topic today. It has been incorporated into academic programs, law schools, and public discourse, sparking debates about its relevance and impact. Despite the controversy, CRT has had a profound influence on our understanding of race and racism in America. It has encouraged a more nuanced examination of the ways in which race continues to shape our society and has provided a framework for challenging the status quo and working towards a more equitable future. In the end, CRT's legacy is one of questioning, challenging, and pushing for a deeper understanding of the complex and enduring nature of race and racism in America. It serves as a reminder that the struggle for racial justice is far from over.